back.
Welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
Yo, Joe, be killing me. I can't. Yo, JB having a whole. I'm sorry. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back.
And welcome back. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Jay. Please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes.
And I am Trent. Make sure you like, comment, share whatever you see here. It's okay for you to share it. Turn on your notification bell so whenever we post a video of laughter and good food, you will receive it. Also, give this video a thumbs up for this collab of curry chicken white rice we about to chow down.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yo, Rax. I'm sorry. Listen. Jay, go.
Welcome back.
No, well, stop.
Oh, sorry.
Listen, no. If you don't have nothing to say,
Don't
say nothing at all.
Yeah.
No, listen, Rax. Jay be tripping me up when we be doing the intro. You hear me? Jay, I can't even keep a straight face when we doing the intro because Jay have a whole routine. This is the thing.
Yep.
Here Jay go.
Welcome back. And welcome back. Yeah. you know, you feel it. You gotta.
Nobody told me that. Okay.
You gotta get the chair in it. So, okay, we're gonna say grace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Amen.
Amen.
Welcome back.
Rax. Yo, Rax, Jay be having a whole intro routine dance. You know what I'm saying? Like, she's sitting down. How you sitting down and twerking, twerk sitter? Twerk sitter.
Listen.
Twerk sitter.
Yeah.
Twerk sitter, twerk sitter. All right.
All right, cool. Today we are having a collaboration.
A collaboration, guys. We're doing a collab with curry chicken, white rice, with Real Girl Food World.
Her video is gonna be right there, or here,
or down there. Right.
It's gonna be somewhere.
Yeah. She do MUKBANG challenges.
She also cooks some delicious food. So you might want to check her out. Not might. You should check her out.
Yeah. Go check her out. Like, comment, share, subscribe to her. You know what I'm saying? So listen, we did not make the chicken the same way as maybe she did.
Yeah, and that was the plan, I think.
Yes, that was the plan. So we made it our Jamaican way, and she's gonna make it her way, which is what you call that?
So we have, what is it? It's one meat, two ways.
Right.
You know?
There you have it.
There you go. So that's what we're doing
today. So
today.
guys, we have some cucumber, tomato, carrot here. And we have some, Jay have some extra
sauce.
Curry sauce. Curry sauce. Alright. So
we do hope you guys are having a wonderful day today.
What do you think she's making?
I'm not sure.
We don't know.
You know,
she's making.
she is. So I'm expecting something pretty fun. Plus, she loves to cook too, so it's going to be something pretty fun. So I'm looking forward to it. Look, I was thinking something like fried chicken. And then I'm not. I'm not too sure.
Look, which country food do you prefer eating? Italian, Mexican, Spanish?
I like all of them. I do, but alright, so say when it comes to curry, right? Indian curry. I don't know if you could top that.
Indian curry?
Why? Because they have the spice. You know, they cook with a lot of spice.
You like the pepper?
So I don't really like it like that, but they just have the right amount.
That's good. So, do you think that every country make their curry chicken the same way?
No. I think everybody does it a little bit differently.
Oh, this is good.
Anytime.
Look, Rags, as per usual, Jody cook. I eat.
Sounds about right. Which country food do you prefer? Do you have like a favorite?
Listen, you don't have to ask me that. Jamaica is where Jamaica they there. Jamaica is where it's at.
Without being biased.
I just didn't be biased.
Okay, cool. Cool. Alright, I'm not gonna argue with that.
Alright, Jamaican and Trinidadian food.
Got some potato here.
I like American food too. There's too much spaghetti involved in it.
Yeah. I like that. And there's a lot of dairy too. There's a lot of dairy.
Yeah. Rex, do you like the breast or the thigh or the wing or of the chicken? Which was your favorite part of the chicken?
Yeah, and are you a dark meat person or a white meat person? Which one?
What are you?
Dark meat. I prefer leg and wing. I mean, that's a mixture of both, but I prefer leg and wing.
Yo, Julie, me I tell you right now. I don't like the dark meat.
Why?
I do not like the dark meat.
Why?
My meat have to be brown. I mean white meat. White meat.
You prefer white meat? Okay.
My meat have to be brown, white.
Right. Thank you for clarifying that statement.
Yeah. Yeah, look how we manage our tower. Arizona.
I think the breast is just it's too much, it's too meaty.
You know, I love breast.
It's too much meat.
If it's done properly, inside is juicy. Moist.
I'm not saying no, but for me though, that's a lot.
So.
Rax, comment down below and tell us which part of the meat you prefer.
And don't remember, after you watch this video, go over to Real Girl Food World and watch her video, because it's a collaboration.
And I'm definitely anxious to see what she made.
Me too.
I wonder if she's gonna surprise us with something.
Curry.
I think she's gonna surprise us with something.
Curry tastes better with spice. Spicy curry.
With pepper, right? It does.
If not, eat till you're sleepy.
When I was young, I used to do it a lot.
That's the itis. God. Jay, shut up. These are all the sauce, right? All the vegetable here. She drank the sauce. She put it at her head and drank it.
No,
That's
I
what
didn't.
she did. Yes, you did. I saw when you did it. I saw when you did it.
No, I used a spoon. I had to use a spoon because it was too,
You drink sauce like a juice.
I know.
That make no. Look at this, Jay.
Because I can't
Jay,
eat dry stuff.
Wait. You're not considerate.
I am.
You're not considerate.
How am I not considerate? I am wetting it for the both of us.
But you're only wetting your side.
You don't eat a lot of sauce.
Why you don't ever want to wet my side?
Alright, there you go.
You never want to wet my side.
There.
I look on a little bit of wetness you gave me.
Babe, you know you're not going to eat all of that anyway.
It doesn't matter. You don't ever want to put wet on my side.
I just did.
You only want to wet up your side.
You don't like to eat it when it's wet anyways.
That's my
I
didn't know what to say. I didn't know what to say, cause man, I didn't know what to say. I don't even know what I meant.
I just said that
But I don't know what it meant.
I just said that.
Mm.
But seriously, you don't like to eat
No,
it when
no,
it's wet.
no. What? Are we talking about food still?
I would like to think so.
Okay.
I would like to think so.
I don't trust you, Jay.
I don't know. That's where your mind went then. That's where your mind went.
No, initially when you said you like to eat stuff when it's wet, I'm like, wait a minute. Knowing Jay, what is she really talking about?
But no, here's the funny part, right? That one, when I actually said it, I actually didn't hear it until I actually said it. Then I was like, whoa, that was a good one. That was a good one.
You are something else. It never sound too right though, to be honest. That never sound too right.
Afterwards,
like I know you're talking about the rice and the gravy.
But it doesn't come out like the
it
rice
sound
and the
good
gravy.
at all.
It come out like something else.
I'm gonna stop sharing my juice and gravy with you.
Why?
Because this is not no wetness here.
Would you like me to get you some more?
No, thank you.
Because I know you don't like wet stuff. You keep
Are we still talking about the rice and the thing? Because you're mine. You're mine. Your mind work crazy, huh?
Funny enough. This thing just come to me.
It just come to you? Just like that.
It's like a light bulb just go off. Look.
I can't even bother with you.
That's all I'm saying.
Alright.
That is all I'm saying.
Really, bro. I don't know where you guys are, but where we are right now, it's 5:30 in the morning a.m. We're tired. And Jay chose to wake me up at 2 o'clock. Right? You woke me up at 2 o'clock.
I did.
Talking about,
I did.
babe, let's get this collab going. I'm in my sleep, I'm like, what collab? She wake me up at 2 o'clock to videotape a mukbang.
I did that. I did that.
No, you know I can't fight with that because, you know, happy somebody, happy life. I ain't calling no name.
That's true. Right? That's the way you survive a relationship.
That's how you survive a relationship. That's how you survive a relationship.
Yeah, I mean, sure.
Yeah, the relationship of how you want.
No, but and then like when you can have someone of a happy life, the next person has to be happy too, right? Right?
The next person have to be happy 24/7.
Yeah. You're good impossible. I feel like my hair is growing tentacles. Or it looks like it's growing tentacles.
Why?
Look at it. And it doesn't move. It literally I'm just look at it. It doesn't move. Whoa.
Okay, guys. This is where we say goodbye.
Remember, go and check out Real Girl Food World.
Our description will be
Below. We did one meat, 2 ways. We're anxious to see what she did and how she made her chicken. I mean, there's plenty of ways to make chicken, but we're awaiting that one. Okay, excuse me.
Okay, guys. Until we meet again.
I'm sorry. All right, go.
By the scent of your perfume.
Ooh.
The meanness of your cologne.
Ooh.
Stop it.
Alright, go.
Yeah, I
Alright,
made that
go.
up on the spot. Your
Okay.
girl just came through. Anyway, until we meet again.
Yeah, lipstick again.
Hope you have a good time. No, until we meet again, have a fun time. Have a fun time. Have a jolly time. Put laughter in your life. It will light it up.
Bye, guys.